The Reserve Bank of India recently proposed guideline to regulate digital lending in India. In India, where many people do not have credit card, the option to borrow money for purchase via apps is giving many citizens access to credit for the first time in a move that could have huge reunification for India's feelings in buy now pay later or BNPL market. The RBI has asked non-bank prepared payment instruments or issues to note this the instruments through credit line. RBI has mandated loaning of prepared in payment instrument for credit line for non-banks. Instructively, experts say this move by the certificate to central banks may be impact the 8 to 10 million customers in the BNPL. Universally, everybody in the past 2 years by now credit card industry have been one of the fast growing industry in 2 years, and it was absolutely mind blowing in that the BNPL marketing in India so fast, and it is the achieved event in growing of 569% in 2020 and 637% in 2021. But 20 of June 2022, the Reserve Bank of India made an announcements that should be grow BNPL industry. These notifications these allowed non-bank prepared wallets card for to be loaning line into be a credit from the single to simple what it's to be a huge what. This is the huge growth somehow first slice for this the orbit or the Jupiter this until around this start up with their created line visible in vital role in to be financial inclusion digitalization in next level in India. So my personally question is why RBI by now pay later industry? Why is the RBI handed their growth inspired the industry growth to such of way rapid space and most important of student of business? What was the student mathematically to help you understand the substance to open to BNPL market of India? This video brought you by credit card. The first thing we are understand this now that their pay later companies make money, and when we already have to credit card and banks where to these companies fit in the market. You see guys, if you look at this income and thick size of the credit card in India's market, you will see that care look given to be people where the minimum average income 3 lakhs per year with the ticket size 5 to 7 lakh per year and basic level credit card to be issued people average income 1 lakh 40,000 more than with the limit of 25 to 50,000 rupees, but below this income slab and credit size that is fair pupil below time income 1.44 lakhs less than, and the sticky size in less than 10,000, that is no reliable to credit industry. And if you look of how many people own a credit card holders in the India, you will see that any their percents of their the people as credit card, and only 3% people use credit card and 97% does not use credit card at all, and these people process by now pay later model come in government BNPL process. So, in short, the buy now pay later model industry stand of foundation of Indian credit graph. Now, always already though the everybody know does this work the credit card company and make money will the BNPL service work just like a credit card EMI. So, if you are student, you buy a laptop for 40,000 rupees. But if you have only 25,000 rupees pocket money, not bank money, your bank amount is only 10,000 rupees, you will buy the laptop no right with the because you are a student do not have a credit card. So with the given started of a financial there is no way if you buy this laptop right away. In this case company provide slice every slice they given the option to speed your laptop cash only a 5 parts or 5 EMI where you payment only a 8,000 rupees each monthly for a 5 installment. And best part of in there that the do not charge of no interest if you pay them anytime. So if you throw the question, does slice charge zero investment, so why the money make money? While if you look of this transaction closely, you will realize this the spite of students with no credit card inspired of the you would not have a encouraged to bank balance in spite of you less the pocket money a laptop 40,000 rupees student become affordable for you and just like you yourself. And this process the laptop as affordable thousand student to buy market. So in this process only 100 rich kid could affordable this laptop. Now 3,000 kids can affordable this laptop use. So in these cases no leak and closely deep you thought the slice have to be encouraged encouraged probability of the students of laptops in high scale to market to increase it to affordability in this marketable in the sales of laptop. So in this case increased a scope of appraisal companies to sell high ticket product. So you know that in there's the market example to expand it market expanded for the company. This market expansion was very high volume for this company even single byproduct in slice cuts to use slice cut. And here slice profit come in where you pay the 40,000 rupees in slice pay only 38,000 rupees laptops companies 38,000 rupees. Do you know in this amount of the keep in 2,000 rupees commissions for the marketing these sales happens to this the numberable to numerability always up and down in order to sales.